Hi, this is Luke, and this is Exploring Tai Chi Shimmer Reverb. Shimmer is a combination of reverb, pitch shifting, and a feedback loop that shifts the signal up, down, or in both directions in stages. I'm using a lot of it just so that you can really hear it working in this mix in progress, and on my guitar it's adding some lovely ethereal pitch shifted layers. So Tai Chi Shimmer does things slightly differently compared to the classic hardware approach where you daisy chain separate processors together. And the result is a shimmer effect that does not change the character of the reverb. And with only two controls, it is very easy to use. You can see that I've got the shimmer level maxed out, although I can trickle it in a little bit if I want. And Tai Chi's shimmer shifts upwards. So at the moment, I'm shifting upwards by an entire octave, but I do have these tiny increments available if I want, from sense shifts right through to semitonal shifts. So some real potential for sound design or for some extra options with unpitched instruments. However, for the most musical results on things like guitars, vocals, keys, then the octave shift is working really well for me. I've based my preset on one of the bundled presets that comes with Tai Chi to showcase the shimmer effect itself. And I've played around with the time multipliers that Tai Chi has. These are so useful because I can lengthen out the reverb at the top, which is really helping to accentuate the shimmer effect. So with a shorter reverb, kind of south of 1K, and in version 1.5 of Tai Chi, as well as shimmer, I also get the unison chorus mode as well. So in this reflections mode here, I can just switch in unison chorus to get these lovely modulated tails as well, if I want. This is without and with. So all of the modulated loveliness that I want there for my reverb between unison chorus and the shimmer effect. I also have shimmer providing a nice, more subtle effect on my vocals.
Driving his wheels and his dreams to shine.
I'll just bring that up a bit.
His wheels and his dreams to shine.
So a more nuanced effect there for something a little bit different on my vocals. So in context with just 2 or 3 instances of Tai Chi, I have a great mix going on there with some soaring, ethereal reverb textures thanks to shimmer for any mix.
Driving his wheels and his dreams to shine.
To find out more about Tai Chi and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog